Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make picture into bullet points in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make picture into bullet points in this Publisher document. Firstly, go to the Insert menu, then click the Picture option. Now we go to the file, then choose any picture to insert. Now we find picture to insert. Now I select this picture and insert it. Then click the picture and go to the picture format menu. Then click the wrap text option. Then choose none. Then resize the picture small. Then move the picture top on the page. Then click right button on our mouse and copy it. Then paste inside. Then again apply the same process. Then go to the home menu and click the draw text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything and increase the font size. Select the text and go back the home menu. Then increase the font size. Then click right button and copy it. Then paste inside. Then write another text. Then again apply the same process. Now we can see we make a picture into bullet points very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.